In my farm, weekly once at least I have to cook non-vegetarian for the staff. So we find ways to put potatoes in the chicken. So here I'm going to make the Calcutta style of chicken curry, where we're going to use a lot of mustards, but instead of mustard oil, I'm using the regular oil because my guys are not used to that much of mustard aroma. So add oil in a pan, and we're going to make a paste. Usually you can soak the mustard, red chilies and make a paste, but you can make a powder also. Once it is done into a powder, if you want to add water, you can add, but otherwise you can add water into the gravy while cooking. So here is mustard, almost 2 spoons of mustard. In this is like a Teja chili, which is very, very hot. And this is chili that will give little color, so not very hot. So put all of this in a blender and make it into a fine powder. In the meanwhile, I'm going to fry the potatoes. So you can add pinch of turmeric on potatoes, toss these potatoes, and in the hot oil, fry them till it is like half done. Later, when the chicken is almost cooked, we're going to cook the potatoes and cook till the potatoes are perfectly done. If you cook together, many of the times you can make a mistake, but cooking like this is what we do in the hotels. Potatoes, put it in the hot oil. Fry the potatoes on all the sides. Potatoes are nice and fried. Get them out. What I like about frying potatoes, I get the aroma of frying chips. I'm crazy about chips, but I also be careful about it. Now, we're going to add garam masala to this oil. And I also have made the paste of the mustard, red chilies, which is ready here. This is fresh bay leaf from my garden. In this, onion. Add enough onion so that you get good gravy. In this, add salt and cook the onions till they are slightly brown. A lot of people, they add sugar to it to get the brownness. You don't need to do it. You can brown the onions just like this. By adding sugar, you will get the caramelish color and also a good flavor. But it's not necessary. You can get the natural sugar frying from the onions to give that taste. The onions are nice and golden. Add ginger garlic paste. Turmeric. Now we're going to add the paste. The masala paste what we did. I want the masala, the raw flavor from the mustard to go away, which will happen eventually during cooking. If possible, fry the masala for like 2-3 minutes. In this, add coriander powder, garam masala. The mustard paste is so strong, my eyes are literally burning here. This is what the burning sensation from the masala need to go away. That's when it will be light on your stomach. Add curd. I've beaten the curd and perfect. Once you scrape off the masala that is stuck at the bottom, add the chicken pieces. These chicken pieces will take around 20 minutes to cook. In the meantime, the gravy and the masala will also be done. So add some more water. If the chicken pieces take around 20 minutes to cook, and the last 5 minutes we're going to add the fried potatoes, and that should be perfect. So look at this, nice, perfect. This curry will have a zing thing which everybody will love it when you have over a bowl of rice. After around 15 minutes, add the potatoes. I also love to add the fresh coriander, salt as required. And this gravy will get slightly thickening from the potatoes also. When you see the sauce perfect, serve it, enjoy it. This is going to be absolutely boomba boomba. 1.5 kg chicken and 1 kg potatoes should be good enough for like 8 of us. Look at it. Nice. The potatoes should be about to burst. That means they should be softly cooked and the gravy should be nicely coating. That's when it's perfect. So this is how me and our staff are going to enjoy the chicken curry today. Throughout I've been tasting. It's really, really tasty, yummy. We in Hyderabad are biryani people. If you add yogurt to any of the curries, we get that nice aroma. In this Bengali style of chicken and potato, that aroma of yogurt is what makes it very, very special. I love potatoes when it is cooked with meat. Excellent. Boomba boomba.